Hey folks, how are you? I just wanted to share some of the tools I use for my affiliate marketing journey, folks. For my traffic generation, all the posting I do, I obviously use TikTok, I've got a YouTube channel, and I've got a Facebook group as well if I need to help anyone out. Obviously, you can repurpose the content as you see fit from both of these channels into each other. I do have a lot of other social media platforms, but at the minute I'm just experimenting. I haven't got a lot of time in my hands with a full-time job and obviously all the other commitments, so I handle everything through these platforms. I then use a tool called System. It's a marketing tool. It's got a sales funnel in it that helps look after all the leads that you generate, folks, people's emails, and you can put them into an autoresponder and have emails created in there, and that will help again tell a little bit more about your story. It'll be reflective of what you post in social media and just build up that know, like and trust factor again, folks. And for this tool here, it's completely free, but you do need a domain name, folks, to help with email authentication, because you cannot use like a Yahoo or an Outlook or, for example, a Google email, because those will get flagged up as spam when you send out your automated emails. Okay, so you have to create like a custom one based around some name that you want to maybe build around your brand. All right, it's only about $15. I use one on name.com. You can use Namecheap as well, hence the name cheap, and I haven't seen a major difference across all the domain name providers. Okay, so just do a bit of research again. I did invest before I even discovered affiliate marketing properly in this link in bio tool called Beacons, and this is what I use in my social media platforms to direct people to. And again, it tells a little bit more about my story, and I've got affiliate links in there, and it's themed around, you know, what my journey is and the designs that I want to do. And it's a cheap-ish $80 a year. At the time I didn't know what I was doing, so I invested in it. I was curious, folks. I also am curious about building a website. I invested in HostGator. It might not be the right thing to do. As we say, we make mistakes and we learn. I use Canva, folks. Awesome tool. There's just that many things it can do. I can't explain them all, but for $17 a month, it's an absolute steal. Awesome tool. I use Movavi to do my video editing for YouTube. I enjoy doing that. That's why I invested in that tool. But definitely you don't need that. At a basic level, folks, you're only looking to spend about $20-30 to explore affiliate marketing at the start. All right. So that's my journey. I'll leave it with you, folks, and I wish you all the best. Good luck.